Join me for a live painting demonstration. One of the most common questions I get from my students is what makes a good background? Often, this question comes up near the end of the painting, but a strong background should never be an afterthought. A well designed background is an inseparable part of your painting's concept from the very beginning. It should be flexible, able to evolve alongside the painting, and ultimately serve to support and enhance the main subject. In this live demonstration, I will explore the crucial role of the backgrounds in painting. We'll examine how different artists have approached backgrounds, comparing and contrasting their choices in terms of function, style, and impact. We'll discuss the role of traditional backgrounds versus contemporary, how backgrounds contribute to contrast or unity through value, color, brushwork, and paint application. The relationship between background and foreground, including figure integration, spatial depth, and edge treatment. To bring these ideas to life, I will also demonstrate background technique on the two portrait paintings you see me working on here. I invite you to join me live, ask questions, and take part in the discussion. Reserve your spot via the crowdcast link in the description or on my Patreon page. I look forward to seeing you there.